Welcome back to Sport, your go-to source for the latest in electric mobility and auto tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about EV launches of the year, the 2025 Adani Electric Scooter. With Adani Group officially entering the electric two-wheeler market, this scooter isn't just about mobility, it's about redefining India's EV landscape. Design and build quality. The 2025 Adani Electric Scooter comes with a sleek, urban-centric design aimed at young commuters and eco-conscious riders. The scooter features a lightweight frame, LED lighting all around, and a digital dashboard with connected features. Build quality is robust, using sustainable materials while maintaining a premium finish. It's clear Adani is positioning this scooter to compete with names like Ola, Ather, and TVS. Performance and battery. Under the hood, or rather under the seat, is a high-performance lithium-ion battery offering a claimed range of 120 kilometers on a single charge. The motor delivers smooth acceleration, with the top speed capped at 75 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for city commuting. Charging is fast too. With support for fast charging, you can juice up to 80% in just under an hour. Smart features. What sets the Adani Electric Scooter apart is its integration with smart tech. The scooter connects to your smartphone via an app that tracks range, location, ride history, and even notifies you about service updates. It also includes geofencing, anti-theft alerts, and onboard navigation. Adani's focus on digital infrastructure is clearly reflected here. Pricing and availability. Adani has priced the scooter competitively at around 1.10 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, making it a strong contender in the mid-range EV segment. The scooter will initially roll out in metro cities with expansion plans already in motion. Pre-bookings have opened, and deliveries are expected to begin by November 2025. Final thoughts. With a powerful debut, the 2025 Adani Electric Scooter checks all the right boxes: range, tech, design, and affordability. It's a bold move by the Adani Group, and it could shake up the EV two-wheeler space in India. Stay tuned to Sport for in-depth reviews, comparisons, and test ride footage coming soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and ride electric.